Brad Pitt is accused of choking and hitting their children by Angelina Jolie. With each passing day, Angelina Jolie and her ex-husband Brad Pitt's feud becomes more and more ugly. In their legal dispute over Chateau Margaux, a French winery the former couple purchased more than 10 years ago, the Girl, Interrupted actress has launched a countersuit against Brad Pitt, according to Variety. Variety was able to gain access to the countersuit in which Jolie's legal team provided fresh information on an alleged altercation between Pitt, Jolie, and their children aboard an aircraft in September 2016. Variety reports that Pitt sued Jolie earlier this year, alleging that she had violated contractual rights by selling her share of Chateau Margaux without his consent. In the countersuit, Jolie's attorneys assert that negotiations with Pitt's team about selling her stake in the business came to an end when Pitt insisted she sign a non-disclosure agreement that would have legally prevented her from discussing Pitt's mistreatment of her and their children outside of court. According to the countersuit, during the 2016 confrontation, Pitt choked one of the children and punched another in the face and grabbed Jolie by the head and shook her. According to Jolie's attorney, Pitt accused her of being too subservient to their children, which sparked the argument. In the aircraft's restroom, the two began to argue. Variety adds that the countersuit stated, Pitt grabbed Jolie by the head and shook her, then grabbed her shoulders and shook her again before shoving her into the bathroom wall. Pitt then repeatedly pounded the plane's ceiling, forcing Jolie to exit the restroom. The countersuit claims that after one of their children defended Jolie, Pitt made an attempt to physically assault the youngster. The countersuit claims that when one of the kids defended Jolie verbally, Pitt went at his own kid and Jolie pulled him from behind to stop him. Pitt hurt Jolie's back and elbow by throwing himself backward into the airplane seats in an attempt to pull Jolie off his back. The young people dashed in and valiantly attempted to defend one another. Pitt choked one of the kids and hit another one in the face before it was all done. A few of the kids begged Pitt to stop. All of them were terrified. There were many sobs. As was mentioned in August, Jolie was the driving force behind a 2016 lawsuit in which the plaintiff claimed that her then-husband had raped her on a private plane. The actor said that Pitt physically and verbally assaulted her and their children in a statement to an FBI agent.